But kuna wimbo yangu na nini nakuwa favorite inaimba ya Promises ni bwana Joe.
Joel Barnes. Joel Barnes huyu mmoja ama mwingine?
So huyu tu mmoja.
You know, this guy is a very powerful man of God. I remember the first song like listened ilikuwa Promises. The same song actually.
Yeah.
Na Jairi.
Hiyo hadi bado nimeisikia. Juu kuna time akana test juu kuna time kuna hivi mwenye shai kuna hivi video ya shai shoot. Alikuwa anapatiana verse nyingine from the book of Matthew chapter 5 verse 16 anasema in the same way let your light shine before others and that they may see your good deeds and glorify the Father in heaven. So like ile light nyuko nayo ndani yako, you let it shine na usifiche your good deeds itoke na like watu waweze kuona ndivyo God akiweza kuona like anasema yes this is a God sent child of mine.
Don't hide your goodness.
Yeah.
Also in a certain worship for a conference I think he also said that it doesn't matter who you are in the ministry, and many of us might be waiting for a parent, a father, a girlfriend, a friend to come to Jesus. Some of you might be waiting for transformation in your families. Some of you might be waiting for transformation in your friendships. And just to encourage you that you should just wait on the Lord. He's intentional.